Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Hotspot in iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So there are two ways to enable your Hotspot, and I will show you those two ways. Okay, so first you want to open your settings, and then once you click on settings, click cellular. Then make sure that your cellular data is on. So make sure that the switch of your cellular data is green. Okay, then after that you can see personal hotspot here. Then just toggle that switch on, and then here you can put any password that you want. Okay, so the second way to do this is the shortcut or the short method way. So just go back to your home screen and then swipe up your screen, then long press the square where your cellular data is. So long press, then here you can see personal hotspot, so just click that, and then your cellular data or your hotspot is now on. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.